Hello and welcome to this new video on SOLIDserver Hands-on. In this video, we will present the redirection function of the RPZ zones on SOLIDserver using the DNS Firewall solution. For this demo, we use the SOLIDserver running release 8.1 and we have already configured a DNS recursive server. We have a smart architecture with one master DNS server. In our smart, we can display all the RPZ zones through the menu in the breadcrumb, and we observe that we have already created two zones, allow list and block list. For now, we only have one entry for each zones, matching youtube.com. We are going to create a new entry in the block list, so we click on the block list link, and we click on the add button. We want to filter the traffic to the domain tiktok.com and we want to apply the redirection policy to the IPv4 of a web server that we have already configured. In the target address, we enter the IP address of our server. We click on OK to confirm the creation of the rule and we observe that we do have our entry tiktok.com in the blocklist zone, and the policy applied will be a redirection to this IP address. We switch to our virtual machine, which will be our DNS client. We use the dig tool, which allows you to make DNS queries from the command line and observe the result. I type dig tiktok.com. We got a no error status with one query and one answer. In the answer section, we observe that the response for the tiktok.com record is the IP address of our web server. And in the additional field, we have the RPZ zone which this record belongs. Here, block list. In order to troubleshoot this configuration, we launch a web browser and trying to visit tiktok.com. And we observe that we are redirected to a web page that tells us that tiktok.com has been blocked by our administrator. Once the user has been redirected to the blocking website, we can imagine providing him the ability to gain access for a limited period of time. This can be leveraged using the Guardian Secure product, and we will demonstrate it in a further video. Stay tuned. So, in this video, we saw how to set up a redirection rule for a specific domain in a RPZ zone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.